Hi, welcome. My name is Kevin. In this episode, I'm building a kitchen drawer organizer out of pallet wood. So we are working with this long piece of wood, but first I need to cut it because it's too long to handle on our table saw. We are using a Japanese saw, as you can see. Maybe sorry for my English accent. I live in Belgium, so English is not my language. We need to make 4 pieces out of this long one. I'm gonna give you a quick tip here. Always wear eye protection, not like this guy. We are making offcuts. The little offcuts, they have holes in it from the nails, from the pallet. Doing some measurements. Now we are gonna cut a clean edge on all of the 4 pieces. And I hope you like this quiet, peaceful background music, because at the end of the video you will know why there is this music and my voiceover, of course, which is the first time. And I'm searching for a piece that we can use as a bottom plate, bottom part. Some thin wood material that they use in boxes. Sharpening my pencil and checking the measurements. Here we are cutting the height and the width of our bottom plate. Now we need to plane all of our 4 pieces, so we have a nice material to work from. And I have made myself a nice handmade jig where I can put in my planer. And now with just a few passes of planing, as you can see. Fast forward. This is our last pass, guys. and we have some nice surfaces. Here I'm cutting it to the final height of our drawer organizer. Doing some measurements for our dividers. Here I'm cutting some same width for the dividers that we can use later on in the video. And here I adjusted the blade height just enough to make I will show you in a minute. And yet again guys, always here wear eye protection, as you can see. And now we just need to glue all of our pieces together. This build has no nails, only wood glue. Using some big clamps to hold it together when we knock down the last pieces. Now this takes some. Now I'm gonna dry it. Now this takes a few hours to dry. So don't over tight your clamps. And it's always good idea to clean up the excess glue. Here we are, hours later. Now I need to vacuum the excess dust there is. Yeah, so
You're talking to me?
I'm doing a voiceover for the video.
Oh.
Weirdo. So yeah, he's cleaning out dust particles, wood particles. Guys, I hear a different song.
Okay people, so we build ourselves a kitchen drawer organizer from pellet wood, free wood. I hope it will be organized in the kitchen drawer. It was just a small little project to be creative, and if I can do it, you can do it. Peace. In this video I'm doing a voiceover for the first time, but the reason why is like I mentioned in the workshop video, the diesel heater is running because outside it's 5 degrees like something, and now it is 15 degrees inside for the materials so they don't rust away. Peace.